Really? And this how we there now? In CMR? With all of the scandal where you make your wife and your family go through, my lord, you still put them through this, my lord? You still? No, my people, a lot of rumors circulate in the media that this 12 to 15-year-old is from him household. It said that, and these are all allegations, so allegedly, that this 12 to 15-year-old is a part of CMR household. So if this is true, you pray upon the little girl, yeah. Because the little girl grow nice and everything. So you're there in the house and you watch her and you pray upon her, my lord. You're coming like a lion in a jungle with the